Welcome. We are the Clean Energy and Environment Legacy Transition, or CELT project. Today, we look forward to showing you the CELT Energy Transition Atlas. The Atlas is a geospatial data tool designed to support municipalities and state agencies in Massachusetts as they design and implement clean energy projects. In the next few minutes, we will walk through the Atlas's collection of maps and data. To access the Atlas, bookmark the link below or scan the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Once you enter here, you will access the CELT Atlas main interface. On the left side of the screen, you will find the navigation menu that organizes content into different categories to explore. Use the hyperlinks provided to switch between topics and maps. The Atlas includes data on 9 different aspects of the clean energy transition. These include energy infrastructure, energy efficiency, state programs, priority populations, and more. You can explore them using this navigation panel. Let's dive into the first map. Within a given category, each indicator has a label that explains what it is showing. In some cases, it includes a description or additional link for more information. Click on the hyperlinked text to access the visualization. This one presents installed solar capacity by municipality as of January 2025. This allows community leaders to see how they compare to their peers in the context of solar energy. Darker yellow colors indicate more kilowatts of solar installed. The top toolbar to the left of the screen will give you options to return to the default extent, zoom in or out, or search for a specific location on the map. You can also export the map screen into a PDF visualization. To learn more about a specific municipality, zoom in and click on the area you are interested in. A pop-up will appear with additional information. The Atlas includes analyses of the cost of energy and impacts on households. It also includes details on how different resource programs have provided support to residents. For example, here we have a map using data from the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program, or LIHEAP. This map shows the average benefits per recipient household in each town. As another example, these maps under the State Programs category show the designation for the Green Communities, the Climate Leader Communities, and the MBTA communities. You can also see relevant grant funding received as part of these programs. The Infrastructure category shows energy sources across Massachusetts. For example, this map shows the location of different power plants across the state. Another important feature of the CELT Energy Transition Atlas is that it connects to other relevant data platforms. This link to the geothermal tool will take you to a platform developed by another research project at Boston University, focusing on network geothermal in Massachusetts. These maps can be included as a link that can be shared on different platforms by copying the link address. These can be used in other data dashboards or external tools that allow embedding. If you are interested in this, please reach out to this email in the Contact Us section. When requested, the Atlas can also offer combined data layers in a single geospatial view. Previous inquiries can be found in the Additional Maps category. If you would like to request a custom map with multiple data layers, please reach out via email and we will follow up to discuss the possibilities. You can also share general feedback at this email address. That wraps up our quick tour. Now go ahead, dive in, interact, and explore the CELT Atlas. If you have any questions, please reach out. You can also find more information about the CELT initiative at this link. Thanks for watching.